Hi, today I'm going to show you can add a notes field onto your Shopify product page. So from the Shopify dashboard, you want to go to the online store part and you want to go to the themes part, right? And from this, you want to click on this button here to customize. And from here, you want to go to your actual product page. You can go by actually clicking on the products, or you can also go from here. So products and default products. So something like that, right? If you want to create a custom notes field, you can do this. You can add a block from here and you can click on this custom liquid and it'll create a new block here called custom liquid. You can double click on this and here you can see there's a part to put in the liquid code right here, right? And I'm going to copy and paste my code. Well, it's a code I got from a website, and here, this is the code class custom field div, and then custom print message placeholder, custom print message name properties message, text area like that. And I'm going to click on save real quick. But as you can see, there's already a custom field here that appeared, and I can double click this to type whatever I want. So I want to type this product is really cool. See, so something like that. See. And now we have a custom text field right here. If you want to rearrange or move the custom liquid in any way, you can just drag and drop here like that. And it'll move depending on where it is on the stack here. So if I want to put it just under buy it now here, I'm just going to drag and drop custom liquids and I'm going to put it below buy buttons there. And as you can see, the notes are there as well. So I'm just going to do again. I'm going to give you an example. This is an example note, something like that. So this is how you create a custom notes, but be aware that because this is a default product page, right? Then any product you do will have this custom notes field as well. If you want to make it only a certain kind of products have these notes field, you can click on create template here. I'm going to name this unique products and I'm going to click on create template. And on create template here, you can leave the notes field here. So it's only here. And if you want to delete the other one, like the default products here, now you can delete that. So it'll be custom liquid here. I'm going to delete it real quick. And now it's gone. But if I go to products and unique products, it's still here. So that is how you add a custom note field onto your Shopify product page.